Every innovation begins with the one purpose: to restore movement and rebuild confidence. At the 13th Emirates Orthopedic Society meeting, we bring that purpose to life through knowledge, science, and solutions that redefine recovery.
Rice Healthcare proudly showcase advanced orthopedic technologies from Tecres and Osartis leaders that drive progress in infection management and bone regeneration. Our mission is to connect innovation with the people who make healing possible. As we bring these solutions forward, our focus remains clear: elevating care standards and supporting the medical community with technologies they can trust.
Tecres stands for trust. Its bone cement system set benchmarks for infection control worldwide. Osartis complement that vision with the regenerative materials that promote faster healing and stronger recovery. Together they present progress you can measure in outcomes.
At Rice Healthcare, we bring global expertise to the Emirates, empowering hospitals and surgeons with access to the most advanced orthopedic innovations. We make sure these solutions are supported with the right knowledge and clinical value, so they deliver measurable impact where it matters most in patient care.
Together we are shaping the future of orthopedic care, one breakthrough at a time.